In this video, we are going to see how we can go live on TikTok. It's a very easy and simple process here, guys. All you have to do is just move to your profile, or even if you don't move to your profile, you will get this plus icon at the bottom. You just click on that. From here, it will allow or ask the option to allow the permission to take pictures or record video. You will just allow the app, and then it will ask you to record the audio. You just allow that. And from here you will get the option to record the video, and once you record the video you will get this option. First you will get post, then you will get create, then templates, and then live. I'm using the region where the live is not allowed, but you will get it somewhere else here. So you click on that live button, and then you can just start the live streaming, and that is it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.